Good morning, students. Today start the chapter 11 Speed, Distance, and Time. Now, introduce what is speed? Speed of an object is defined as the distance covered by the object in a unit time. Speed is also known as the rate of momentum. For example, a man goes 10 km in 1 hour. He speeds 10 km per hour. Now, formula of the speed is equal to distance traveled upon time taken. Speed is equal to distance traveled upon time taken, or distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Also known as time is equal to distance upon speed. Now, some important units of here, the conversion of the units of speed means to convert from kilometer to meter per second. You know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60 second. Look at here, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 upon 3600. Now dividing, now here comes to result is 5 by 18 meter per second. Okay children. Now look at here, uniform and variable speed. A speed said to be moving with uniform speed, it is cover equal distance in equal interval of the time. For example, a car cover 65 km in first hour. Now 65 km in second hour, 65 km in third hour. This is also known as uniform speed. Equal distance covered to the equal interval of the time. Now look at here the average speed. What is average speed? As the speed of an object does not always remain same over the entire stretch of distance covered, we need to find the average speed of the whole journey by the using given formula. Average speed equal total distance covered by total time taken. Total distance covered by the total time taken. This is the formula of the average speed. Okay children. Now look at the exercise 11.1, your first question. A train is traveling at a speed of 90 km per hour. Now express the speed in meter per second. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 hour equal to 60 into 60 second. Now first of all, 90 km per hour convert into 1000 upon 60 into 60. 90 into 1000 upon 60 into 60. Right? Now this is convert to the meter per second. Now solve it here. Look at here. Cancel out the result. Now result comes to 5 into 5 is equal to 25 meter per second. A racing car moves at 108 km. Express this speed in meter per second. Now 108 km per hour. Also 1 kilometer is 1000 and hour is 60 into 60. Look at here. 1000 upon 60 into 60 also multiply here. Now cancel out the result. First of all, zeros cancel here, and then after the 36, 3 is 108, 3 10 is 30. Answer is 30 meter per second. Question number 6. Express 25 meter per second in kilometer per hour. Now 1 meter is equal to 1000. 1 upon 1000. Now second is equal to 1 upon 60 into 60. 1 upon 60 into 60. Now solve this problem. First of all, cancel out the zeros. Cancel out the zeros. Now remaining 25 into 6 into 6 upon 10. Now cancel out the result. 5 2 is 10. 5 5 is 25. Now 2 3 is 6. 5 6 is 30. 33 is 90. 90 is your kilometer per hour answer. Okay children. This is your 90 kilometer per hour answer. Rahul cycles 67.5 kilometer in 5 hours. What is his speed in meter per second? Distance is equal to 67.5 kilometer and time is 5 hours. Now formula, using the formula, speed is equal to distance upon time. Now put here the value of distance and time, 67.5 kilometer per hour. But question is convert the speed in meter per second. So convert kilometer in meter, 1000 upon 60 into 60. Now cancel out the here first of zeros and multiply the result, and then after divided, 67.5 multiplied by 10 is equal to 675 upon 5 into 6 into 6. Now first of all cancel out the result of 5, table of 5 and 3, and then result after here 15 upon 4 is equal to 3.75 meter per second is the answer. Now your next question, question number 12. Question number 12. A car travels from Bangalore to Mysore at a speed of 40 kilometer per hour, but while returning from Mysore to Bangalore, it travel at a speed of 60 km per hour. What is the average speed of the car in the whole journey? Let the total distance from Bangalore to Mysore in kilometer is x kilometer. How many kilometer? X kilometer. Right here the let the distance is x kilometer. Now distance, now time taken is equal to distance upon time. Distance upon time, t is equal to distance is x and speed is here 40 kilometer per hour. Speed is 40 kilometer per hour. Now time is t1 is equal to x upon 40 hours from Bangalore to Mysore. Bangalore to Mysore. Now Mysore to Bangalore, speed 60 kilometer per hour. Distance is same, x kilometer. Now time taken by t2, distance upon speed. Distance upon speed. Now put here the value x upon 60 hours. X upon 60 hour. T2 is equal to, right here T2 is equal to x upon 60 hour. Now total time. Total time T1 plus T2. X upon 40 plus x upon 60. X upon 40 plus x upon 60. Look at here. Now LCM of 40 and 60 is 120. 43 ja 120, 62 ja 120. Now 3x plus 2x is equal to 5x. 5x upon 120 hours here. Okay children, total time is 5x upon 120 hour. And total distance is equal to x plus x. X plus x is equal to 2x. Now average speed, formula of the average speed, total distance upon total time, 2x upon 5x upon 120. X cancel, 120 goes to the numerator. 120 goes to the numerator. Now 2 into 120 upon 5. 5 2 ja 10, 5 4 20, 24 2 ja 48 kilometer per hour. Average speed is 48 kilometer per hour. This is your average speed. Now formula is average speed is total distance upon total time. Using the formula here, total distance upon total time. Now next exercise 11.2. A train running at a speed of 80 km per hour can cover a certain distance in 45 minutes. How long will it take to cover the same distance if its speed is increased by 10 kilometer per hour. Now time here equal to 45 minute is equal to 45 upon 60 hour. Convert here the hour. 45 upon 60. Now distance is equal to speed multiply by time. 80 multiply 45 upon 60. Now results come to here 60 kilometer. Distance is equal to 60 kilometer. Putting here the value of speed 80 and time is 45 upon 60. First of all 0 cancel. Then after other cancellation, result is 60 kilometer. Same distance 60 kilometer. Now new speed 80 plus 10 means 90 kilometer per hour. Distance same 60 upon 90. 2 by 3. Now 2 by 3 is hour. 2 by 3 hour. Now hour converted to the minute. In 1 hour, how many minutes? 60 minutes. Right here, 60 minutes. Now cancel out the result. 3, 2 ja 6. Now 2 20 ja 40. Answer is 40 minute. Answer is 40 minute. Now next part. A car is traveling at a speed of 55 km per hour. How far it travel in 2 hours and 12 minutes? Speed is equal to 55 km per hour. Now 55 upon 60 kilometer per minute. Converted to here minute. Time is 2 hours 12 minutes means 132 minute. 2 hours means 2 into 60 plus 12. 62 is 120 plus 12 is equal to 132 minute. Okay children. Now using the formula distance is equal to speed multiply by time. Put here the distance. Speed is equal to 55 upon 60 and time is 132. Cancel out the result. Answer is 121 kilometer. Question number 8. What is the question number 8? Question number 8 is a train 400 meter long. A train 400 meter long is traveling at a speed of 72 km per hour. How long will it take to cross a telephone pole? Distance is equal to 400 meter. Speed 72 km per hour. Now 72 km per hour is converted to the meter per second. 72 into 1000 upon 60 into 60. Now cancel out the first 0. Again 0. Now 6 1 ja 6. 6 1 ja 6. 6 2 ja 12. Again 6 2 ja 12. 2 into 10 is equal to 20. Answer is 20. Look at here. Distance speed equal to 20 meter per second. Speed equal to 20 meter per second. Now time is equal to distance upon speed. 400 upon 20 is equal to 20 second. Time is equal to 20 second. Now next question. A train traveling at a speed of 36 km per hour crosses a pole in 30 seconds. Find the length of the train. First of all, speed 36 km converted to the meter per second. Again using the formula 1000 upon 60 into 60. First of all, easily 0 cancel. 6 6 ja 36. Again 6 1 ja 6. cancel here 1. Now results comes to 10 meter per second. 10 meter per second. स्पीड कितनी आ गई? 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड. नाउ टाइम इज 30 सेकेंड. डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू स्पीड मल्टीप्लाई बाय टाइम. 10 into 30 is equal to 300 meter. So length of the train is equal to 300 meter. Last question, question number 9. A train 300 meter long is traveling at a speed of 90 km per hour. How long will it take to cross a signal post? Distance is equal to 300 meter. Speed 90 km per hour. 90. Now convert here 1000 upon 60 into 60. First of all, zeros cancel. 3 2 ja 6. 3 3 ja 9. Now 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6, 20. Now 0 0 cancel. Now 2 2 ja 4. 4 25 ja 100. Results here, speed is equal to 25 meter per second. Now time is equal to distance upon speed. Distance is equal to 300 and speed is 25. Now 300 upon 25. 300 upon 25. 25 12 ja 300. Now answer is time is equal to 12 second. Time is equal to 12 second. Okay children, it's over.